This is BrickFan77, and the excavator is complete. This Lego Technic set number 42006, has 720 pieces. Took me about 4 hours to complete it. It was a moderate hard build. Some of the instructions were a little bit difficult, but turned out great product in the end. So let me show you guys some of the cool features that it has. Right now it's controlled manually by this gear here, but later on I plan on getting the set number 8293 for the power functions, and adding the power functions onto the set to make it all motorized. But right now it's powered by a gear here manually. Now if I just turn the gear, nothing happens, but when I flick this switch to the left, the arm moves in and out this way. Move the switch to the right and move it, then the entire arm moves up and down. Let's put that one back to the middle. Then when I turn this switch to the left, the claw opens and closes. Now the entire base of the excavator spins around by like this, and the tracks you can move forward and backwards. So that is the excavator for you guys, and hopefully we can get the power functions on this and get it motorized, which I'll show you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.